Imagine flying a drone so powerful it captures 6K video, hovers for nearly an hour, and has not one, not two, but three pro-grade cameras, including a 100-megapixel Hasselblad. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, say hello to the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. It's real, it's official, and thanks to a very accidental leak from a Slovakian store, shout out to Jasper Ellens and Igor Bogdanov, we now know pretty much everything about it. Let's dive into why this drone is getting everyone in the creator world buzzing. First off, the design. The Mavic 4 Pro folds down to just over 25 cm and weighs about 1.6 kilos. It's compact enough to slip into a camera backpack, but when you unfold it, it extends to almost 39 cm wide. Sleek, aggressive, and definitely ready for the skies. Now for the real fun, performance. In sport mode, this thing can fly up to 90 kilometers per hour. That's scooter speed in the air. It ascends and descends at 10 meters per second, and even in normal or sin mode, you get strong climb rates and smooth tracking speeds. Flight time? A wild 51 minutes max. That's 45 minutes of hovering, long enough to film an entire short film. And it laughs in the face of wind. Level 6 resistance, no problem. Plus, it can launch from elevations up to 6,000 meters. That's base camp on Everest, just saying. The Creator Combo version comes with a game changer, 512 gigs of internal storage, with 460 usable. If you've ever swapped SD cards mid-flight, you know how big a deal that is. Now, let's talk about that camera setup. DJI went all out. The main camera? A 4.3 Hasselblad CMOS sensor with a 100mm shooting mode, manual aperture from f2 to f11, and stunning cinematic quality. Then there's a medium telephoto lens, a 48mm by 1.3 CMOS sensor with a 70mm focal length. It gives you that beautiful compression look without having to physically get closer. And then comes the sniper, the telephoto camera, packing a 50MP sensor and a 168mm equivalent focal length. Perfect for extreme close-ups without flying into someone's personal space. ISO performance is seriously impressive. The main cam goes up to 12,800 in normal video. In log or HDR formats, it caps at 6,400. For stills, you get ISO 6,425 megapixel mode and 3,200 in that beastly 100 megapixel mode. The medium and telephoto cams follow suit, with some slight adjustments depending on your shooting settings. Shutter speeds are just as versatile. The Mavic 4 can shoot as fast as 116,000 of a second and as slow as 16 seconds for long exposures, though the 100 megapixel stills top out at 8 seconds. You've also got burst options, AEB, timed exposures. It's a full photography rig in the air. Image. Resolution is just insane. The Hasselblad camera shoots at 12,188 by 8,192. That's billboard-level detail. Medium telephoto delivers up to 48 megapixel, and the telephoto gives you 50 megapixel with an 8K style punch. Still modes include single, burst, and time-lapse. Customizable from every 1 to 60 seconds depending on your patience and SD card size. On to video, and here's where it really flexes. The Mavic 4 Pro shoots 6K at 60 FPS, 4K at 120 FPS, and even 4K vertical at 60 FPS. Yes, perfect for TikTok and Instagram without compromising quality. The medium telephoto delivers 4K at 120 FPS and 2.7K vertical, while the telephoto supports 4K at 100 FPS. And let's talk about codecs, H.264, H.265, and H.264 All-I. That last one hits up to 200 Mbps. That's cinema-level data flow. Perfect for pros doing post-production color grading. And speaking of color grading, DJI gives you everything from standard 8-bit 4.2.0 to 10-bit 4.2.2 in D-Log, D-Log-M, and HLG. So whether you're doing casual travel vlogs or a full short film, this drone's got your back. Stabilization is rock solid, literally. The 3-axis gimbal offers insane precision down to 0.0001 degree. Zoom range is buttery smooth, from 1x to 2.5x on the main cam, 2.5x to 6x on the medium telephoto, and up to 24x digital on the long-range telephoto. It's like switching lenses on a pro camera mid-flight. Safety-wise, it's got full 360-degree sensing. Front LiDAR, infrared on the bottom, upper, and side sensors. It sees in every direction and detects obstacles up to 200 meters away. That means smoother flights, safer routes, and fewer crashes into rogue trees. The battery system is also worth shouting about. The 6,654 mAh Li-ion battery charges from 0 to full in just 51 minutes with the 240W DJI adapter. Use a USB-C 100W charger, you'll be ready to go in about 80 minutes. Charging via drone is slower, around 115 minutes, but hey, it's still manageable on set. And if you use the new charging hub, it can charge 3 batteries in parallel, prioritizing the lowest one to get you flying faster. So that's the Mavic 4 Pro in all its glory. It's sleek, it's powerful, and it's built for serious creators who want cinema-quality footage with zero compromises. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe for more in-depth drone reviews and creative gear news. Drop a comment with your favorite feature, and if you're already dreaming about those 100 megapixel shots, you're not alone. In the next video, we're diving deep into the new O4 Plus video transmission system and the upgraded DJI RC Pro 2 controller. Trust me, it's another level. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the skies.